Alright guys, so welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to be talking about how to use Claude AI for content creation. So guys, you may want to create content, especially high quality content, faster using AI. In this video, I'll show you how to use Claude AI for content creation in 2026, from generating your ideas to writing full articles and social media posts. So basically, you may be wondering what Claude AI is. If you've never heard about it, Claude AI is an advanced AI assistant developed by Anthropic. It helps creators generate written content, brainstorm ideas, summarize information, and even repurpose content across multiple platforms. So basically, it can help you out with blog posts, YouTube scripts, social media captions, email newsletters, and content repurposing. So it can do all of that and more. But in order to get started, you have to own a Claude account. So to get started with Claude, all you need to do is just sign up. And like I said, you can simply sign up by creating or owning a Gmail account. With your Gmail account, a simple one-click sign-in would help. You don't need to go about the entire process of creating passwords. That can be done later on to safeguard your account. Well, with a little Google search, you could just simply, create content and start making some money with your Claude subscription. All right, guys. So generating your content ideas has never been much easier. With the use of Claude AI, it can be done in a snap of a finger, just simply typing your prompts. So you could start by asking Claude to generate content ideas within your niche. Let's say your niche is soccer or edit or movies or tutorials. Whatever your niche is, you could just simply enter this prompt here. Just enter a simple prompt by asking Claude AI to help you out with things. So you could just simply tell it to give you 20 YouTube video ideas for digital marketing. So let's go ahead and enter that in. All right, so I told it to give me 20 ideas for digital marketing in YouTube. Now you could just simply specify, because Claude AI works better when your script is accurate. All right, guys, so once you've prompted it, just make sure your prompt is actually correct and standard, because the quality of your prompt determines the quality of the output you're going to be getting from Claude AI. It works best with standard prompts that are easy to follow and easy to understand. All right, guys, so let's get into it. We have given it an instruction. All you need to do is just specify what you want. Once you have entered the specifics, go ahead and hit enter on your computer. So we requested it gives us 20 video ideas for digital marketing in YouTube. So it's going to give us some ideas. You can see SEO explained, what are sales funnels, Google ads versus YouTube ads, and it's going to provide us with strategies, tools and tutorials, trends and case studies, so we can simply find unique videos, copy what they've done and recreate it to seem better. Now, besides just generating content, which actually helps you build your content calendar quicker, you could actually create blog posts and articles. So Claude AI can generate full-length blog posts in seconds. All you need to do again is prompt it by either telling it to write you a 10,000 word blog post about the benefits of email marketing, about the benefits of eating healthy, or maybe the benefits of getting to work on time. You could just play around with the bot. It's actually that good. All you need to do is just sign into your Anthropic account or your Claude AI account, and you have access to all of this and more. So you can also request specific tones, format, or target audiences for better results when you prompt your Claude AI properly. Now, you could also use Claude AI to write your YouTube scripts. So, like I said, Claude is perfect for creating structured YouTube scripts. All you need to do is just simply create a prompt for it, and then you could just simply give it an instruction. Like I said, as all artificial intelligence work with prompts, all you need to do is just give Claude a prompt and it's going to follow it to the last word, except where you would need to intervene by reconstructing your questions or your prompts. All right, guys. So besides helping you with YouTube scripts, it can also create social media content. You can also generate captions and posts for your social media platform. All you need to do is just simply prompt it by telling it to write you some captions promoting a course. So you can get scripts, you can get captions, you can also get the media content itself. Though Claude cannot generate content, Claude can't generate videos for you or pictures, but it can show you some pictorial representations of the things you need, like let's say a bar chart or a scale or whatever you need that can be visually illustrated. Claude can actually do that. All right, guys. So you could also repurpose existing content. So one powerful feature of Claude is the content repurposing. You can transform a single piece of content into multiple formats by just simply telling it to turn whatever you have into something else with a simple prompt. That's just how crazy it is. With a simple prompt, you could turn this entire give me 20 videos ideas into a different thing while still keeping the context from here when it simply changes. All right, and you can also upload and summarize documents as I mentioned earlier. To do this, click on the plus here and click on add files or photos. It can do that. And where we have add to projects, basically a project is something you're working on. It's like a chat history between you and Claude. So any chat histories you have are called products, and as such, projects, and as such, you can easily add more and more to it till you're done. All right, guys. So that's how you can easily add files. You could also prompt it, using real world content by prompting it in a manner in which Claude is able to deliver what you need to the T. So, guys, that's basically how to use Claude for content creation. Just be specific about what you need, be specific about the niche you're looking to work in, and also make sure you are saving your content onto your device so you can easily repurpose your prompts as many times as you need. Where we have digital marketing on here, we can simply change it to soccer, basketball, music, or whatever. As far as you can always reprompt it, you would always get the best out of Claude. All right, guys. So comment down below if you have any questions. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content. Thank you.